This video will dive into how to make money with AI art and Redbubble. Redbubble is the marketplace website that we're looking at right now, where you can upload designs and people can purchase t-shirts and mugs and other types of products featuring those designs. And Redbubble permits you to use AI art in your designs. And the reason that I'm focusing on Redbubble today is because I have seen a number of people in generative AI communities that I'm a part of talking about the success that they've had selling designs on Redbubble, which they generate with AI. I recently made a video about the 5 best ways to make money using generative AI art. I'll link to that in the description. Also, if you want to learn how to use AI software like ChatGPT and AI image generators better, the first link in the description will go to a landing page where you can sign up for my email list. And when you sign up for my email list, I will send you access to my list of ChatGPT and AI writing prompts, which includes several prompts that will help you create really nice images. And this is the AI art tool that I primarily use. It's called ArtSpace. There will be an affiliate link for ArtSpace in the description if you would like to check it out. And I'll also link to my ArtSpace review and tutorial in case you want a little bit more help with this. But these are the types of images that I've been creating in ArtSpace. And my plan with Redbubble is to focus on creating robot-themed art. And I'm going to start by uploading some simple images of robots, such as what you see here. And then once I learn a little bit more about the platform and start to get a bit more of a feel for what works and what doesn't, I may start including designs that have robots and text. So for example, a picture of a robot with a funny little saying that could go on a t-shirt or something. And the first step to make money with AI art and Redbubble, of course, is going to be to sign up as a seller on Redbubble. So all you need to do is navigate to the Redbubble website, which we see here, and then click on Sell Your Art. And there's a bit more information here. We can scroll down and take a look at that, but I'm just going to say Start Selling. And now it's asking me if I want to sign up as an artist or a customer. I will say Artist, and I'll just fill out this information. And so I filled out that information and I clicked Sign Up. And now I've got the welcome dashboard here, and it looks like it really lets you get started quite quickly. You can add new work immediately, which is creating products. Click on Add Designs. Then you can customize your shop in a number of ways, which it has quick links to do right here. And then, of course, in order to get paid, you have to add your name and address, confirm your email, and add your payment details. So I can see immediately why this is a popular platform for selling art, because not only can you make sales just by uploading the art that you created or that you generated, it's also really simple to get things started and to get paid. And I guess I'll just start with on the left here. So I'll go to Add Designs and I will say Upload New Work. And I'll start with this image, which is a pretty basic one that I really like. And I have to give it a title. So I think I'll call it Celestial Robots. And it allows you to add 15 tags. So I added 15. I will look into this, learn more about writing good tags later. I just want to try this out for now. And I'll write a quick description that has some keywords in it and gives a bit of an explanation of what we're looking at here. Quick little description there. And here it looks like I need to enable it on different types of products. So I'll just enable it on everything because why not? And I'll leave out the advanced products for now. We'll call it digital art and design and illustration. Looks like in order to add it to a collection, I would need to create one elsewhere. It does not include mature content. And check the agreement and say save work. And there's something I need to look into here as well. Apparently it needs to be a different size in order to go on some of the print items, but that's okay because there's a number of items that it will work with. So that's fine for now. I think if I click here, it'll open up my shop or it'll show the product on the front end of the website. Yep, there it is. And so you can see here, people can just come here and buy it on any of these products that they want. And now I'll say return to dashboard to complete my setup. So I've created a product. Now I will add a profile picture. I'll probably just go with my logo here. All right, there's the logo. And I can also upload a cover image. And it needs to be a specific size, so I can do that in Canva really quick. And it needs to be 2400 by 600. Create that design. And I'll just add one of my pre-existing images here, set it as the background. And I'm sure that I will change this later when I have time to do an actual design, but this will be something just for now. Go to Share, Download as JPG. And now I've got that on my computer. I can just pull it up. And just a note, when you're uploading files on here, this is a little bit awkward. So you have to go to Choose File and then choose the file and then click the Upload button to actually upload it. So it's a little bit of an awkward process, but I figured it out there. And now to fill out my profile. And for now, I'll just leave most of this checked and hit Save Changes. And now I'm back here at the dashboard. So I've uploaded my first design. I've customized my shop so that people can buy my design if they want. And I did have to request a second email to confirm it because it sent me a couple welcome emails, but it didn't send me the confirmation email. So I did that and confirmed my email. And now after I finish this video, I will add the payment information so that I can get paid if I sell anything. And over the course of the next week or two, I'll continue adding new designs. All right, it's been a couple days since I recorded the first part of the video, and I've got a little bit of an update here because I did leave out a couple things that I hadn't noticed until I was kind of going through the process of continuing to set the account up. And so we'll cover those right now. As you can see, I've completed all of the setup shop list and the get paid list. So I've authenticated and confirmed my account in a number of ways, as well as set up a variety of assets and completed my portfolio. And one of the things that I somehow just didn't notice before is that you have to upload at least 5 designs in order for your shop to go live. And I've just been adding about 1 a day because I read in a couple of places that it's good to try to upload at least 25 designs in your first 30 days. So I figured as long as I did 1 a day, I would get there. And as of today, I've got 5. And I guess that was the last thing that I needed to do in order for my shop to be considered to go live, because now it's in a holding period that can take up to 5 business days, and it will either be approved or not. And I guess if it's approved, then it will be classified as standard or premium. I'm guessing it'll probably be standard because it's not like I've been doing anything really fancy, but that is basically what I've done since then. And so if I go to my shop over here, you can see that the designs that I've uploaded aren't loading in because my shop has not officially gone live yet. I'm not even sure if it's available to people that aren't me. But then if I go and look at my portfolio under Manage Portfolio, you can see these are the 5 designs that I've uploaded. And another thing that I noticed as I was going through this, which I didn't notice before, is that Redbubble recommends images that are at least 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. It does not require that. However, it does recommend very high resolution images. And remember, I'm using ArtSpace to generate these, and the largest resolution that ArtSpace can generate is actually 4096 pixels by 4096 pixels. You can see here if I click on the resolution right here, it'll open it up, and there's a bunch of presets, and I can also set my own, but the maximum is 4096 by 4096. Now, I don't think that that's actually going to be an issue. As I mentioned, Redbubble suggests 5,000 by 5,000. It does not require that. And so I don't think that that is going to be a huge problem. I'm sure that lots of people upload lower resolution images. And so what I'm going to focus on next is upscaling some of the images that I really like that are smaller, which I can do with ArtSpace. And I'm going to do versions with the background and with the background, like for this one, for most of them. And another way that I'm working on earning money with AI art is by creating asset collections, like stock photography collections. And so I'm going to continue focusing on doing that with the robots theme. And whenever I create one that looks really good, I'll put that up on Redbubble with both versions. And now that we've walked through how to actually get set up on Redbubble and how to upload some of your AI art, I'm going to focus on learning exactly how to make sales on Redbubble. And the next video I make about Redbubble will dive deeper into that. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, remember, if you use the first link in the description, you can get on my email list in order to get access to my list of AI writing and AI marketing prompts, which will make it a lot easier for you to generate really high quality art. And if you like the looks of the art that I've been generating and that I'm going to be selling on Redbubble, I definitely recommend checking out ArtSpace. My affiliate link for it is in the description. They still do have a lifetime deal going, so you can get ArtSpace for a one-time price, use it forever, and never have to pay for it again. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.